Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting the color change now. First, confirm your PyCharm build so you know which features are available. Open File, then Settings on Windows or Linux, or PyCharm Settings on Mac OS. Once inside, navigate to Appearance and Behavior and choose Appearance. This is where Themes live. You'll pick a global theme or use a custom one. Make sure to note whether you're using a light or darkula base, because that choice affects editor colors and plugin compatibility. Now you customize the editor background and syntax coloring. Go to Editor, then Color Scheme, and select the scheme you want to modify. Make sure to use the gear menu and save as a new scheme first. This prevents overriding defaults. Once saved, edit colors and fonts and general settings to set the editor background, caret, and selection colors. If you have a downloaded icons file, use import to add it once imported. Apply it so the editor reflects your new choices immediately. Finish by clicking Apply and then OK so PyCharm saves your theme and color scheme settings. You'll see changes instantly in most cases. If some UI elements or fonts don't render, restart the IDE to reload resources and make sure any third-party plugin themes are enabled. If colors still look wrong, reset the scheme to defaults or remove and re-import the icons file. One troubleshooting tip: clear caches via File Invalidate Caches /restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.